Welcome back, guys, and thank you for tuning in to another video. Here are the items that I'll be using today for this set. I have the nail tip stand, some almond tips, a buffer, base gel, white gel, pink gel, and red gel polish, builder gel, top coat, dotting tool, liner brush, and I also forgot to mention embossing gel and chrome powder. So to start, I'm going to go ahead and buff the nails with my buffer to take off the shine of the nail. Once that's done, I'm going to brush the excess dust from the nails and then wipe them down with alcohol. I'm going to take that base color, that sheer pink, and I'm going to apply this to the nail all over and then cure in between each layer. For the accent nail, I'm going to take that white gel polish and do a full coat because I'm going to do chrome design on the top of it later. I wanted that pink to be a darker color, so I'm going to go ahead and apply another layer and cure that. Once you're satisfied, put it into your lamp and go ahead and cure. It's time to do the French tips, so I'm going to take that white gel into a little tray. And using my liner brush, I'm just going to go ahead and paint those French tips. It's pretty straightforward, so I'll just let you guys watch and enjoy as I paint the French tips, and I'll be right back. I'm applying a second coat of that white polish to make it more opaque, and I'm going to take that pink and do some hearts by grabbing my dotting tool with some pink polish and placing 2 dots and dragging them to meet one another and make the heart. I'll repeat those same steps to the other French tip nails, and once we've done that, it's time for the red. So this is the color red that I'm going with. I'm going to use that with my dotting tool, a smaller dotting tool, and I'm just going to make smaller dots around the border of the heart, just like so. And then I'm going to repeat this for the rest of the nails, which is pretty tedious, so I'll just speed it up here so we're not here all day. Moving on to that white nail, I'm going to take this builder gel and I'm just going to do a coat over it, simply because when it's time for me to buff to do the chrome, I don't want to remove the white, so I'm just going to put the clear builder gel over it, wipe off the tacky layer with some alcohol before I buff. I'll be using the smoothest side of the buffer to do this. So somehow the alcohol got onto the sticky tape and it's not sticking anymore. So I'm going to have to replace that. So I'm just going to take my sticky tab, as you see here, take that, peel it off, put it on the whatever that's called, the stand, and then peel off that clear tape. And then I'm going to reattach that nail that so embarrassingly popped off. And once it's sturdy, we'll get back to regularly scheduled programming. Once I'm done buffing, I'm going to dust the nail, and then I'm going to take this black embossing gel and I'm just going to draw some hearts. And mind you, my hearts aren't the best, I know, but I'm getting there. So I'm going to draw some hearts and then I'm going to cure that. This is the rose gold chrome that I wanted to use, and it's such a pretty color. However, it was not sticking to the embossing gel, like it didn't show. So I had to nix that idea and then go ahead with the gold instead. Not my preference, but it works. So I went ahead and added in the gold chrome. I tried incorporating the rose gold on top of the gold chrome, but it didn't work. So we'll just end the nail set here. And I'm gonna top coat everything and cure in the lamp. Since we are done, this was a sort of easy, simple Valentine inspired look. And I think it's kind of cute. What do you guys think? I wanted to take some pictures, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean up these nails underneath with the dust brush, and then I'm going to stick them on the double-sided tape on this card here so that I can display the nails and take nice pictures. But here is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and supporting me. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day and you stay blessed. Love you.